More mail call. Yay. Saturday. Miss Becca Stiles. Some of you know her as Becky. I asked if I could call her Becca. Short for Rebecca. I like Becca. Well, Becca's cool too. Becky's cool, but Becca, yeah. Oh, she said, if you want. She did a video on a bunch of knives, and one of them was a Bestech. She did the video on the Kendo. Well, they're flippers. I don't like flippers. Some flippers, but I'm not a fan of flipper. But I am a fan of a Tanto blade. But I'm not a fan of knives coming out of China. I just try to avoid that. I try. Got your Bestech knife. Read this. This on the box says, simply the best. I don't know about that. But I like the look of the knife. Now this one here is a Tanto. Pretty stout. Pretty stout. Blade HQ has it for $52. Tip up. I'm already getting some wear right here on the flipper. Like it's been in somebody's pocket. And I'm getting some wear right here on the jimping. Like it's almost been used. Kind of weird, huh? Solid piece. This is a nice little screws. They did good on that. You can switch the pocket clip around to left or right hand. I would reckon there's a screw there. Lanyard hole. D2 steel. Let's see how it deploys. Not bad. Lockup is very tight. See, that's what I don't like about some flippers. It's like when you open them, it's like there's just nothing there. You don't feel anything. I like the way they do this grind on the Tanto, where they like, instead of coming just straight up, they put a little flare to it. Pretty damn sharp. Looking at the blade, it doesn't have any wear marks on it like it's been used. So that's good. Nice centering on the lock bar, on the liner lock. Comes open nice and smooth. Opens nice and smooth too. Not bad. 4.3 ounces, 3.75 inch blade. That's pretty. I like the two-tone. And the steel feels good. Right here you got Bestech Knives logo. Not bad out the gate. I was going to do two separate videos, but I'm just going to do this as one. But that's a pretty good, nice little fidget knife. That's a pretty good little blade. Handles well, grips well. Right here, you got a little hot spot where this comes over. This lock bar comes over. See, they have a little slot right here for you to get your thumb in between it, which is good, well thought out. I can see why they did that, but it is a little bit of a hot spot right there. Right in there. It just like is somewhat annoying if you do this. If you choke up on it, yeah, you're okay. But overall, I give it some pretty good ratings. I do. Now this one here, I also saw on Blade HQ when I was looking at this Kendo. And it's a Bestech. Different color animal. It is a Tanto blade. Got some nice oil on it. That's good. They're both about the same. You got a liner lock, you got G10 scales, 3.6 inch blade, two-tone, D2. This one has a little bit of oil on it, the other one didn't. And this one does have the wear marks, like it's been worn. This one I like better. This one has a finger groove right here. Damn it, I can't stay in frame today. This one has a finger groove right here, and it's on both sides. And it's it's more ergonomic to the hand. It eliminates that hot spot, that ridge. The G10, I'll get this right eventually. The G10 has some like wood grain texture to it. Not too sticky. And good. Lockup is very, very, very tight. Lockup is as tight as I see on some high quality knives, more expensive. I like the two-tone. They come along here and they bring it right along and they separate it from the frame or from the spine. Got a little line there on the groove. They did a good job. Very good job. I do like this one better. Feels better. Looks better too. Let's see how our centering is. I didn't look at it. Centering is spot on. It is. Let's take a look at the other center. Oh, and these are both flat grind, by the way. Yeah, centering is spot on. I like them. $52 each. That was good. I mean, $104. You got two knives. You got two knives. One for each of you. Well, that concludes this broadcast. Tomorrow, no, tomorrow's Sunday. Monday, I should have a Kershaw Auto coming in, the Launch 10. So I'll do a little review on that. This one is a hawkbill, like a claw. Stay tuned for that. And for those of you that miss it, because I'm sure there are, I have to go now. I'm terribly busy. We'll see you.